this video, I'm going to show you how to set and release a live animal trap. There are a couple different brands. This one in particular is a Havahart. This is how you spell it. And this is basically just a more humane way to get rid of rodents that might try and get into your house, into your garden, and all that stuff. I do want to mention before I show you how to set this and release that you are going to want to check your local laws, because here in Massachusetts, it is actually illegal to catch and relocate, for instance, a chipmunk or a squirrel or something like that. So just keep that in mind. And oddly enough, you can them, but you cannot catch them and relocate them. So I'm going to return this when I'm done after looking into all that, but if you need to use this, then I hope this video helps. So let's take a look. This right here is the door to the trap. Just going to show you kind of the elements here. And then your trip plate is right here, which will end up shutting the door. And then this is a trigger right here. And right up here, you have this stored, and this is the trigger bar. And you just attach this right here, like so, and snap it in. And all you have to do basically is when you do this, it will raise that door up and go down here to this connection. You don't want to set this like that. You want these two flat pieces to be just like that. Otherwise, it might get caught up and not work. And then one important thing to remember before you leave it like this is this right here is the door lock. So if, let's say, it tripped, we'll just trip it, then you could actually just come out like that. What the door lock does is, if it gets tripped, they will not be able to open it up because it locks it. Something to remember, before you set this up, you're going to want to hold this door open and put your bait behind the trip plate. So we'll take this, we'll pretend it's a strawberry from your garden. Anything will work, something sweet, something that smells like peanut butter is a good one. And we'll do a little demonstration here. Set this up, just like that. Make sure our door lock is on, and then we wait. And now you got your critter. And they cannot get out this way, and they can't get out the other way. Now you have your critter locked in here. He can't get out the door, and you can take him to wherever he or she, to wherever you want. This has a nice handle protected by all this plastic. So if they get a little bitey, you don't have to worry about that. And just a tip, it might be a good idea to maybe put a towel or something over this so that they don't freak out, because this isn't the most comfortable thing for a live animal. So you can take it to wherever you're going to take it, unlock the door lock like this. This is nice and long. You can even push this down with your foot, just like that, and they will see freedom and they will run out of the trap. And then you can take this off, store it here, and you have successfully relocated your problem critter. This is a good size for squirrels, chipmunks, weasels. So those are the size critters that this will work for, but they have bigger ones, smaller ones, whatever you need. So if you needed to know how to set and release with this trap, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.